So today at the flea market, I bought this old, crusty, rusted up pan. I have no idea what name brand it is. I can't tell on the back, but it's got a lot of crud buildup on it. I don't know how good that's coming through on the camera, but I'm going to get 5 gallons of water. I've got a foot tub, and I'm gonna fill it forward to 5 gallons and put some lye in it and let it sit for, I don't know, a couple of days, one day, see how it does. So this is the lye that I'm using. I got it out of Walmart, and it is 100% lye, 16 ounces, 1 pound. And it has 100% sodium hydroxide. And 1 pound of this will go into 5 gallons of water. And it's important that you mix this, put the water in first, and then put this in. All right, now that I've got the water in, and this is a powder, I'm going to put in 1 pound of this. This is kind of like a salt. Okay, now we're going to mix that up really good and put our pan in. All right, the only thing I have is this piece of wood, so this is what I'm going to use to mix it up. You want to make sure you mix that up really good, and then we'll put our pan in. All right, I've got the pan in the lye bath. I've got it mixed up good, and we're going to leave it sitting for a little bit, probably at least a day, and we'll check back in on it. Okay, so it's been about 2 days since the last part of that video. Things have just gotten busy and I just couldn't get to it. So we're going to take this thing out of this lye bath now and see what it looks like. And you can see how dirty that water is. So let's see if we can get it out and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's rusty. And I just took a look at the back of this, and I'm gonna let it be a tease to y'all what the name brand of this pan is. And I really wasn't expecting it to be this name brand because it has so much gunk on it. I couldn't tell what it was. But let's get this at the sink and start scrubbing it down and see if we can get some of the stuff off of it. Alright, we're back at the sink, and let's start rinsing it off some. Alright, we'll get our little steel wool pad here, and we're going to start scrubbing it some. I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure on it. Feels really flat, really smooth on the bottom. At least as much as I can tell through this scrub pad. Alright, let's rinse this off some. Wow. Now this is going to take a lot of scrubbing, and I think I'll be back. I'll come back once I get it all scrubbed down good. So unfortunately all of it didn't come out. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's still a little bit of gunk on the cooking surface, and a little bit right there. So I'm gonna put it back in the lye bath for another night, possibly even another day, and see what it looks like then. So I want to do an update on the pan I got the other day. Time kind of got away from me, and last you seen it, I had taken it out of the lye bath and was scrubbing it in the sink. Since then I've seasoned it 4 different times, and it's incredible what it looks like. Oh, and this is a Griswold pan, small block logo. I don't think I told y'all in the first part of the video, but it looks really good. I'm really happy. This is the first one I've ever done, and this is a size number 8 pan.